Hello everyone, a very enthusiastic evening to all. Today I cannot able to tell you how I am feeling right now to express my inspiration. Actually, you all have an inspiration that you motivate you, you inspire you, someone inspire you. So I have also an inspiration. So today I am going to tell you about my inspiration. So before actually digging the topic, I would like to pay my sincere thanks to Hemant sir, who has given me such a wonderful opportunity. So let's jump to the topic. My topic is I am telling about my inspiration, and my inspiration is Virat Kohli. He is a cricketer and he is very enthusiastic person also, and his life not very easy, because as a cricketer he faces many challenges in his life, like a phase in his life very down, that during the Ranji Trophy his father passed away at night, and early in the morning he have to decided that he have to play for his team. So at that time I very just like his mindset is very strong. Like if someone father has passed away and early in the morning he played like for his team and scored at least 90 plus run, and after completing the match, he went to his father brief, and I just liked his consistency, his dedication and his passion. He is very aggressive person, but in his field only, because aggression not everyone, but to support your team, to just control your team like a leader, aggression is most important, because in the team someone like very fell down at a very loose moment, then if you have a aggression, then you can control your team also. And one thing is very unique for is that he is like when he wicket fall down and down, then he control their team, like everyone calls him run chasing master and run machine Kohli, and there are lots of names like King Kohli also. And he is not an influencer, he is just a inspiration of every youth. Like you can see in the young age he was like a Golu Molu, but now you can see that he is one of the fittest athlete in the world, and he worked his personality a lot, guys. And if I talk about his journey very fantastic, and his wife, he also care his wife, and you also see that like his play from RCB, that RCB did not able to collect any trophy in starting season, but you can see now that after 17 years when he got trophy, then Virat Kohli is very emotionally that he cannot able to control feeling his tears, because it is not just a trophy, it's a emotion. Sometimes when I have a something dream, but we cannot achieve it, but when we achieve it, then we cannot control our emotion, because it's a very lots mean for us. Like everyone has a dream also, but sometimes we cannot get opportunity for going someone. Like me also, I just wanted to go in Air Force and Defense Academy, but some an incident I could not able to go there. So that's why reason opportunity is not only for one particular thing, but if you searching and visited new opportunity, then you can easily get it, guys. And everyone has an inspiration. You also are inspiration. So my personally suggestion that you should follow your dream, like consistency, determination, and a strong mindset. Because sometimes ups and downs, everyone life has comes ups and downs, but a strong mindset is shows you that how to deal you with your low phase and your up phase. Because sometimes when the up phase is coming, then we are very overconfident, and sometimes we take wrong decision in for our overconfidence. But like strong mindset person, he has to know that if in my life up phases come, then down phases also come. Then you have to be ready that in your down phase also, and you just have to maintain it. Like sometimes you don't have enough money to purchasing many things also. So, and sometimes you have lot of money that you spend all that thing, but if you have to maintain a particular thing, like balance is most important. That everyone can earn money easily, but everyone not save money easily. It's a very difficult thing. So you have to be patient in your mind, and strong mindset shows your confidence also. Like every businessman, every successful man, woman is just suffering this phase also. So guys, I just only conclude that you have to be calm in your life, and you should work on your patience, consistency also. So that's from my side, and thank you very much for listening me patiently, and thank you very much, guys. Thank you.